Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change the download location in Netflix. Now let's begin. Initially, open up the Netflix application on your mobile device. Do note that I have already logged into my Netflix account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Well, as you can see, this is the homepage. Now we want to change the download location. At the bottom right, here's your profile right here, simply click on it. Now something like this will open up. From here you can access your downloads, look at your recently watched episodes as well. But right now we simply want to change the download location. At the top right, here are these three lines, simply click on it. Now something like this will open up from the bottom. There are many options, namely manage profile, app settings, signing out and everything. Simply click on the app settings button right here. Now once you're in the app settings page, simply scroll down to the downloads tab. Right here is something called as download location, simply click on it. Well, right now I only have my internal storage. In case you have installed an external storage device such as your SD card, select the SD card and hit on OK right now. Well guys, that's it. Changing the download location in Netflix is as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.